The Indiana DNR wants to make sure everybody has access to the outdoors because people need nature and nature needs people. Today, I'm going to walk you through DNR's online interactive Where to Hunt map so you can find a place to hunt near you. To get started, open your browser and go to on.in.gov/where to hunt. You can also find this tool on the DNR smartphone app. Click View Map and read the information under the pop-up titled Indiana DNR Where to Hunt app. It is important to note that the boundaries listed are approximate. Hunters should verify all boundaries before taking to the field. Click OK. The green bar within the interactive map includes ways to filter your search by species, bookmark locations of interest, view layers to see hunting zones, boundaries, and more. As an example, to find a location near your home, zoom into your county by scrolling or using the plus and minus signs on the left of the tool. To move the map, click and drag it. Once you have found a location of interest, click on it. This will open an information box which includes details about what species can be hunted there and more. Review this carefully as well as the information in each layer on the map. This is especially important for waterfowl season because season dates change based on the hunting zone. To learn more about the hunting location you have chosen, we recommend that you reach out to the site manager at the number provided in the text box that appears when you click on the map dot. Finally, pack your gear. Grab a copy of the Indiana Hunting and Trapping Regulations Guidebook and head out there to start your hunt. Visit our Learn to Hunt resources online at on.in.gov/learn to hunt for more information and hunting events near you. Happy hunting!